Hi guys.
We'll be unboxing our
We'll be
passport,
unboxing
guys, as a
our
Canadian citizen.
New passport as Canadian citizen. Brought to you by Purolator Express. Buksan natin. How does it feel to become a Canadian citizen with a blue passport? So this is it. Oh, ganun lang pala siya. Wala siyang kabalot-balot, guys. So ito na yung Canadian passport natin. Yoo! Subukan natin. Oh my goodness. Canadian. Takpan lang natin yung pangalan. So ito, Canada passport. Then add picture in the passport. So yeah. So that's it, guys. Parang normal lang naman siya, pero may red siyang logo dito. Yeah. Blue passport. So I can travel the whole world. Oh, makapal pala siya dito. Parang card na siya dito. Wow, I like it. So we have hanggang 38 pages ng passport. So this Canadian paniki. This is a 10-year passport visa. Tama naman.